Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you want to subscribe my channel, thank you so much for subscribing my channel and watch my channel, so everything is okay for you. But today I have in my mind creativity, something new for you, because I want to sing a song. So if you want to listen, so first you do like, after you want. So now when we do makeup, that time I do everything with makeup. Okay, so nobody is comment in my comment box what is my mistake. It's okay, no problem. If you want to do your wish. So now I'm doing something. Today I do light makeup. I natural and very subtle, and today I don't do very heavy. Like when we have we are in house, and someone come in front of them, we are want to ready, and when we go worship and other things, so we want ready for that time, so we do light makeup. Okay, so first I set my mic, and today I sing a song. Okay, today I'm sing a song. Listen, watch full video. And first I take sunscreen. Okay, you can see this is sunscreen I am taking. So I do something very light makeup. When you go party and when you go office and you don't want heavy makeup, so you can take sunscreen and mix foundation. I take foundation and mix in it and mixing little bit. Now I'm applying, so you can see when you go office and any puja, so, that time you don't want heavy makeup, that time you mix it. So I'm applying here, you can see. When please listen to me, I want to song for you. Okay, at the end, watch till end after I sing a song. Applying here. I'm applying. Funny, you can see my blending is okay, very light and very natural. I'm applying blush, powder blush, and overall our makeup has done. So you can see, if you want to more powder, you can apply. What do you want? Listen now, my song. Okay, first okay, listen. बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम. सनम कुछ अच्छा नहीं है, तिरंगे को बोलते हैं, ठीक है. बहुत प्यार करते हैं तिरंगे को हम, कसम चाहे ले लो, कसम चाहे ले लो, वतन की वतन की कसम. बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम. सागर की नदियों में मौजें हैं जितनी, हमको तुमसे मोहब्बत है उतनी. आगे का सॉन्ग सुनना है तो पहले. Okay, so come back on my work. Wow, very nice. You can see this is my only natural look. I don't use much more heavy foundation, and I don't use much more heavy foundation and much more concealer and things. I skip everything. You can see my baby. You can see I take only 5 minutes and I'm ready. Please comment and tell me how I look and what about my makeup and me also. I'm very pretty. I look very pretty right now.